overheated on me like it always do. It tried to stop my bag. I just put on some lip gloss. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
I'm sorry I seem like I'm such in a rush. I just don't like people waiting on me.
Hope you enjoy. Make sure you stay tuned for more. Jordan. So, not living by yourself anymore. That's part of it. If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Another get ready with me. I tried to do one not too long ago, like Saturday, and it just didn't turn out right. My makeup just looked very light, and I got ready to edit it. I was like, I ain't going because I was not finna do that to myself. We're gonna try again because I'm about to go to this pajama party. I'm finna get lit, do things that 21 plus people be doing, you feel me? And I'm really excited. I think that was part of the reason I really messed up last time. I'm about to use Urban Decay all-nighter. I think it's pretty good. It's my first time having it. I got the trail sauce because, yeah. This Cream Shop setting spray that I have, that's what I pretty much be using to wet stuff, honestly. Cause it's pretty cheap. I mean, it's straight. Like, I don't need the best setting spray to make my makeup last, but like a good one, definitely you can tell a difference. And so I have this Milani foundation. It's in the color Walnut. I was just trying to find me like a drugstore duplicate, but if you put on too much, well, it's yellow and I have yellow undertone. I don't know if that's warm or neutral, but I have a yellow undertone, and so this shade is the one that had yellow in it, and the darker shade is the one that had so I gotta slow down. I be getting too excited, too anxious. I need to relax. Cause I definitely almost just took my brow off. Anyways, the darker shade was more red. I'm just like, dang, I can't get that because I'm be looking crazy with yellow neck and red face. That's what be happening when people's face be orange. They don't be matching the undertones. I was just like, okay, let me get the other one. So I've recorded with this one a few times. I've used it a few times, and I feel like I'm able to give a review at this point. It's straight. I like it. The cream and powder foundation is good, but like I said, you cannot use too much of it because you're gonna be looking bright. So I might go get the other one later just to mix the two, so it can be a darker tone. The threshold shouldn't be that drastic. I shouldn't be like, good, white. I have this Physicians Farmer finishing powder. Smooth out this foundation with this. I love finishing powder. The difference it makes, definitely noticeable than just putting on foundation and like going and starting to conceal and stuff. It just finishes off your foundation. You can also use it to, when your makeup starts to get a little old throughout the day or whatever, you can use it to, you know, fix it. I was talking about in the other Get Ready With Me how like when I get anxious, get really excited, I hate getting excited for stuff because I get so excited to the point where I don't eat. And when you're about to drink and stuff, that ain't good, sis, because we don't like being sick. We like having fun, but not being sick. Gotta hurry up as well, because I don't like being late. Making people feel like they're waiting on me, I don't like that. Nope. I'm gonna use this again. It worked pretty good. It's the Camouflage Matte Concealer by Essence Cosmetics. I said I was gonna use my Anastasia Beverly, but I'm not gonna use it because it's over there and I don't feel like going to get it. Oh, it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Oh, we can just talk about my day. Yeah, how about? I had to get my younger brother, he's like 17. He had to take me to work today because I thought I lost my keys. And I always be losing my keys when I be back at my parents' house. I don't know what be up with that. I'm just gonna do a little bit right here because it works, but then it can be too much if you do too much. But yeah, I thought I lost my key. It was time for me to go to work, and like I don't like being late to work. People can be late to work, but I didn't like it. And I was just like, dang, I really don't know where these keys at. So I was like, all right, bro, just take me to work. And he found them while I was at work. And y'all want to know where they were? Right there the whole time. You know what it says up there? Dang, Marine Lake, you're stopping my bag. Keys. When I put things where they're supposed to go, I can't find them. That's my problem. And he got there on time. I'm real big about being on time, y'all. So I was like, don't be late, bro. The car, like, what time you gonna leave? Like, cause I feel like if I'm gonna be somewhere, I wanna be there on time. Like, I don't like being late. You miss things when you're late. And that's my problem. I don't like to miss stuff. I remember being like that when I was younger. I've gotten a little better. I really just don't like being late. Like, I don't know, it doesn't feel good to be late somewhere. To know you're supposed to be somewhere at some time and then just not make it on time. I don't know, it's not appealing to me. It makes me feel really bad. I don't feel like I made people wait on me. Like, I don't like none of that. But he got there with 7:02, he was pulling up. I was proud of him, real proud. I like doing this because I have a very round face. I'm very cheeky. My face is not that sharp, it's very soft. And so I be wanting some
definition.
And it be working. I'm not gonna cap. Like, I love contouring. Like, I would not do my face without contouring because, like, where's everything? I'm not gonna cap. Like, I do have high cheekbones, but the fact that I have very round cheeks, it kind of cancels it out. In my face, I don't have no man or nothing, so it's like the last time my face used to just break out. I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
I don't like that.
I feel like the issue is because I haven't been. Gotta be careful. What haven't you been doing, girl? But I haven't been doing my sheet mask in the shower like I usually do. That's made a difference. But I bought me a couple more because I sure kept them on deck. The job I work at, they stay having a sale, so I stay stacked up on them. But I like sheet masks. The other ones, I can deal with the peel ones. I like the peel off ones. But mud mask, once you take it off, it's like, we're gonna go ahead and do our nose too. Once you take it off, it's like I'm washing my face again. And I don't like that. Like, why am I washing my face again? Like, and it's like, by the time you're not in the shower no more, so you're just over the sink and you're just like, I don't know, just water be getting all down your neck. Oh, y'all know what I didn't do? Blend your neck. You need foundation on your neck. Period. 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 Right there, that little area right there. You need some foundation on it. I ain't tell y'all what this is. It's Maybelline Fit Me in dark coffee. I gotta fix that in the description box in my other video. And I don't be contouring my nose for real, so I hope I don't mess up. Like, I don't have no problem with my nose. I'm not contouring it just because I want to change the shade. It's just like, when you contour your nose, it give you that extra snatched look. You know, I want to be cute tonight, even though we ain't gonna have nothing but pajamas. I just want to be cute. Y'all get a little peep of my bralette. It's so cute. It's gonna spice up my pajamas. Okay, girl, I got them, or guy, I got them from Walmart. Before we went to the cabins in May, I waited till the last minute. Almost didn't find them, but I was like, okay, so how can I make this look better? They had some cute little bralettes, and I was like, you know, it's just gonna look cute on me because it's on me. Oh, and then I had some pink flamingo slippers at the time. They gone now. It got dirty and you can't really clean that stuff. It was so cute. Yeah, this like got a little spice going on right there. I'm gonna put it on because it's get ready with me, so y'all gonna see my pajamas in a minute. And I'm gonna put my hair in a little ponytail just because we're gonna be doing a lot, you know. 30 inches be a lot to deal with sometimes. Like, and then I'm a perfectionist, so I'm gonna do a review on this hair, but like it do be getting a little, you see this, I've been moving around and it's like sticking up like that. And I don't know, I don't like that. I want my hair to be sleek all the time, and I feel like I just gotta find like the right products. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes on camera. Might as well. Just a little set, and then one of these is not even from here. It's from Lash Barb Cosmetics. They have the beautiful mix, 25ml mix. I got this off Amazon. I want this to be that long, but oh, y'all, I forgot to prime. I forgot to prime. Luckily, I pay real keen attention to detail, so I noticed. I am able to notice the difference when you wear primer and not, but like just because of my skin type, like my face don't really sweat for real. I don't really get that oily, so my makeup doesn't move that much, so I can get away with wearing primer, especially if I'm not wearing my makeup all day. Which one is this? I think, let's see. I'm trying to figure out which lashes is, because sometimes I think that's the inner corner of that one, so that's, yeah, this one. You probably can't tell, but usually the side that's the outer corner is a little bit, I I don't know. I'm pretty sure this one, this one is the left one. Yeah, let that dry a little bit. It used to take me an hour to apply one lash, but I wanted it on, so I used to do that hour, and then the next one, it didn't take as long, maybe like 45 minutes to do the second one. But I was determined. I wanted my lashes on, baby, and like now they are bae. Like, I love lashes. Like, who is out here? I will wear lashes with just my eyebrows filled in and no makeup. And who finna do their makeup without wearing no lashes? Alright, cause for wait. So like I said, we just go. I have real curly lashes, so I go over and just sit on top. Have to make sure though. Usually I gotta use my fingers and the dang it. I hate when I do that. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about. Got glue. Tip! Let the glue dry first before you try to wipe it off, or you're gonna be looking crazy. Mess up your whole look. Then you're gonna be mad and sad. To dust off my baking, I use this really dense brush that's like angled, and I really like it. Works really well in my opinion. Gonna keep going, keep dusting, keep dusting, keep dusting, keep dusting. I look like ghostly still. Yeah, it's gonna get better. See, we're gonna darken this. Y'all see? I don't know why it's trying to play me like that. Don't click off the video. My makeup's gonna turn out good. Now we're gonna contour before we bronze. We're going to contour before we bronze. I just use this Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette in medium to dark. I want to try, I don't know. I might try dark to deep, because the new store I work at, it has Black Radiance. And I didn't know they had a dark to deep, because this is too bright. This middle color really too bright. And I'm sure I can wear the, the highlighter anyways. Okay, so yeah, we just adding this color back to our face, because you know we be highlighting. But I'm not light skinned, I'm not a ghost, so we don't want to look that bright. Yeah, because they really trying to play me on, they be trying to play me on camera. Nessa just called me. What up?
What you doing?
I'm almost done with my makeup.
Okay.
I'm ahead of you.
I ain't got the sweat lashes on. Hey YouTube, tell Jada to hurry the fuck up.
I am fine. Like I'm literally, this is my contour, and then I'm gonna put some highlight, and I'm gonna throw on some little freckles just to be a little cute. I'll be ready soon. I did this a lot faster than I thought I was going to in actuality. Let me go ahead and finish. Alright, bye. I had to bleep out all the cursing, and I don't want YouTube any reason to demonetize me, because they tried it. They really tried it one time already. It wasn't about cursing, it was about a song. But they really tried it because I promise you, that was some Middle Eastern, some Indian, the song they said that I copyrighted. I was like, I have never heard that song in my life. I have never heard that song in my life. What are you talking about, bro? I'm appealing this because I sent them a link to where I got the beat, Chuki Beats, because that's beats, all the beats I use at least right now. I like his beats. Chuki Beats, that's where I got it from. Go listen to it. Here go the link. Cause what are y'all talking about? What song is that? Don't tell me I copyrighted a song I've never heard before. But yeah, I had to appeal it, and they got right. I already got demonetized on my spring break video because like 17 seconds. I tried so hard not to have any like body's music in it. And 17 seconds while we was at the Airbnb, it was playing Tootsie. I was like, God! I tried, I probably could have muted it. I don't know, they probably wasn't trying that hard to mute it for me, cause I ain't no big YouTuber yet. But it's okay, cause we gonna get there. Yeah, they got me. I was like, I don't want that to ever happen again. That hurt my feelings, cause like, I want all my coins. When they start coming in, I want them all. Ooh, this bronzer, I forgot. I did not know that bronzer was this good. And I was like, oh no, y'all got me bent cause I don't know that song. I'm not being covered right now, I don't know. All right, so we back. And it's time to highlight. Put some little, because I did not do any in my last video. I was so sad because I ain't had none. I left it. But I have this Morphe Stellar Highlight Palette. We're gonna use ultraviolet. You can't ultraviolet. We're gonna use that pink, purple, and that pink. Who doesn't want pink and purple cheeks? Let me really show y'all what it is. Oh my gosh. What, baby? This is cute. Oh. That looks good. Can't really see the pink, but it's okay. Y'all know what I forgot to do. It's okay. I might just do it a different way today. Forgot to do my freckles before I put this on. Purple highlight, like who doesn't want a purple little glisten to them? Like, that is so cute to me. So yeah. Okay, we're gonna put on some faux freckles. Later I'll probably do a tutorial when I actually, like, I kind of just be winging it. And see, oh, I didn't do that. Why you, bruh? Why did it do me like that? Dang. Bruh. We're just gonna have to go with it. We're just gonna do our best to blend that in. That's cute. Okay, wait, it's not cute yet because I know y'all probably like, but no, we got it. See, let me show you what I be doing to make them look more realistic. Hold on. But no, I gotta put not the stars, but it has two. Oh, this is also by Cream Shop. It's cute. I mean, I was just like, why not? I think freckles are so cute, and I have a few little moles. So I went ahead and put on my pajamas. You'll see them in a minute. Probably recognize them. If you recognize them from Walmart, go ahead, comment, like below. I went ahead and finished my placement with my little freckles, and so this is just me winging it. When I first did them, I feel like when if you take a little bronzer and dust it across them to me. Because, you know, people who have freckles, they wear makeup on top of it. So I feel like if I take maybe even some of the finishing powder, just to me. Because if I'm not doing this right, I don't know nobody coming for me. That, they making them, I mean, they're stars. So how realistic are they actually gonna look? Not very. I feel like it makes it like look more skin-like and not just like, okay, this bitch done threw. Sorry, this girl did threw some stars on her face. No, don't clock me if you're like, well, they still look like stars. Going to a pajama party, you guys, I like to be a little festive. And a highlighter on top, it like, I don't know, just blends with your makeup more to me. So yeah. Okay, so let me do my hair. Yeah, I just threw something my little edge that be sticking out. This hair is beautiful. I love this hair. It be looking cute in a side ponytail. And look, I got all my little colors going. We're gonna take the navy blue scrunchie. I think, okay, never mind. I had wore it to the back. Which one do I want on top? Like, I'm just being a little creative, you know? It's just funny though. And we're just wearing pajamas, so. And then we're just gonna take the light pink one. Yeah. So let me show y'all my whole fit. Just gonna, oh wait, I forgot my earrings.
Yes, with the fuzzy socks. Cause I be doing the thing a little bit.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and just watch me get ready for this little pajama party. Yeah. Oh.